Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you have a brand new LG all-in-one like this that's making a grinding noise when it spins? You cannot figure out what's going on with it? Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you what it could be. This actually is a very simple fix, especially if you just got it and it was just brought. As you could see there, I was spinning the drum and seeing if it was free to move around. Comment down below if you've already figured out what the issue is. Yep, let me tell you. So these here, the bolts I was just pointing at, those are what are known as shipping bolts. And essentially the washing machine, any washer, whether it's one of these or any kind of front load washer, is going to come with these shipping bolts. And essentially what they do is they fix the tub to the chassis. You can see there that the rotor and the stator has been rubbing against that back panel. These people have only did one load of wash and they said, yo, this is not right, this thing's brand new, what's going on with it? So they called me. Luckily for them, this was a super simple call. I was able to fix it immediately. I'm pointing to the shipping bolts right there, and I was kind of explaining to the customer what was going on with these. But essentially when this washer gets shipped, to prevent the tub from moving around, banging around and moving freely, they fix it with the shipping bolts, and it holds the tub back against the back wall of the washer, which you could see it grinding up against that back panel there. So in this case, really simple. All you got to do is take those bolts out. I think they're a 10 millimeter. I'm not quite sure. They might be a different size. I'm just doing the old see which one fits test here. I'm getting my impact too. You could break them free by hand, but I'm going ahead and using my impact. I was getting a sip of ice water. Hey, let me know down below, is it getting hot where you guys are at? It's getting hot where I'm at already. But I'm grateful. I'm grateful for all the seasons. Yeah, let me know down below. Did this help you? Was this your issue, or is it something else? They're pretty simple to remove. You just go ahead and back them out, unscrew them, loosen them up, and then pull them out. And I didn't even have to take off that back panel. You guys aren't going to have to take it off either. I just went ahead and took it off to show exactly what that grinding noise was, because I wanted to see what it was. As you can see now, the tub is moving freely. It's able to move. And I'm putting that back panel on. Just a few Phillips screws. And like I said, you don't have to take that back panel off. I just took it off because I wanted to show the customer exactly what it was, get them involved, and inform them what was going on. As well as you guys, I wanted to show you guys exactly what was making that grinding noise. I haven't done a whole lot of work on these washers yet. What I have seen pretty common with these, and this is completely unrelated to this video, but what I have seen with these washers a few times now actually is a vibration sensor will go out on these and well, before I even go into that, let me tell you guys, these are not heavy duty machines whatsoever. Alright, these are very light duty, small load, small family machines. They're not really meant for pillows, blankets, rugs, dog beds, pillowcases, none of that stuff. They're really just meant for like a set of sheets, some clothes. But back to what I was saying, what I have seen with this specific washer, dryer, all-in-one, and even actually a lot of other new LG washers, is the vibration sensor will go on them. It'll be too sensitive, and people can't even do a load of anything, even normal clothes, because it'll just tell them, hey, your washer's not good. Now I'm just spinning it. You can see there, let me know down below if you see the difference. Did you see how the tub is now freely moving, whereas before it was fixed in place right at the beginning of the video? Now I'm just running a spin test. You know, of course, for the customer's peace of mind, I like to verify in front of them so that they can see that it's working, they can hear that it's quiet, and they can know that the job was done right. And of course, fix right. Alright, well hey, if you guys like this video, give it a like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all of you, and check out some of my other videos. I work on all appliances, pretty much all common appliances.
It's
And
spinning right now.
hopefully one of them will help you.
Just to test
If
it.
not today, then tomorrow. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.
For it being so new, we figured it should be something, you know.